Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, December 16th, and we're going to take a look at 30-year bonds and specifically the morning breakout that happened this morning. And that happens quite often in bonds and plays out fairly well whenever it does set up and occur. Now, before I dive into this setup, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. That way you can be there whenever we upload new videos talking about different opportunities and hopefully helping you improve with your trading. So with that being said, the setup that we look for is we come in at about between 7 and 8 a.m. We want to see by that point the bond market moving kind of sideways in a channel on a 30-minute price chart. And you can see this morning, here was the channel that we were looking at. The vertical line here, if you're not familiar with TradeStation, this is the break of the session. So this is the open last night. The channel that we traded inside of this morning was between 58 and 2 seconds resistance and 57 and 21 seconds. Now this is the 30-year bonds. It'll be ZB on a lot of different platforms. But we look for that compression, then we look for the breakout of that compression, and you typically just do a 1-bar trailing stop. You trail behind the high of a single price bar on a 30-minute price chart, and that'll keep you in it for most of the move many times. So ended up playing out fairly well today. It broke below that 57 and 21 seconds level, and you wouldn't have gotten out until 57 and 2. So about 19 ticks worth of a move that you would have been able to participate in. So keep an eye out for this type of setup. Again, with 30-year bonds specifically on a 30-minute price chart, it should trigger or it should be there. You should be able to identify that channel by about 7 or 8 a.m. Eastern time in the morning if it's going to happen. Now, it does not happen all the time. All right. It might happen 3-4 times a month, but typically plays out really well when it does. So keep an eye out for it. But that's it for today. Don't forget, once again, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.